Hey, welcome. Welcome to Big Baby Thanos Nature Class. So today what we're going to do is go explore, see what we find. It's all kind of things just lurking right outside your door. Now, you have to be careful when you're approaching these dangerous predators of all sizes. You never know what it's capable of. Some creatures shoot piss at you. Yeah, pee right on you. Let's see what we can find out here. What we got here, look at it. A spider web, I walked into it. Shit. Let's find some signs of life. Shouldn't be hard. Shouldn't be hard. Something always lurking close. You just gotta look. Sometimes you just gotta lift a rock. Yeah. Look at that. You see that? What is this? That was a worm. Let's try to dig around it without, you know what I mean? Without fucking the worm up. There you go. See that right there? That's the butt of a worm. Worms like to live in cold, moist, dark places. It was up under that rock there. Now some people eat these. Those people most commonly referred to as white people. Put this rock back here and let it go back to sleep. That's how you do it. So, I think that'll be it on today's episode of Gabe's Nature Show. Tune in later for more. For who knows what we may come across in this strange wilderness we call Earth.